The reason I created this channel was not only to film Tacoma related videos, but to find products that are actually good and worth it. So today we'll be doing a review from a company called Launch. They are today's sponsor. This is a OBD2 scanner. It's a diagnostic scanner if you run into problems. Now, with having a Tacoma, you probably won't run into too many issues. I've had this truck for a while and have really only ran into one issue, which was tied to a dead battery. But this comes in super handy. So today we'll be doing a review over this tool, exactly what it offers, all the features it has, and if it's something that's worth keeping in your garage when you run into issues. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into an unpackaging to see exactly what you get here. So one thing that's worth noting is that it comes in a nice box. It has the features on the side here, as well as information on the back. Talking about how it's a network-enabled diagnostic tool that runs based off of Android. So let's go ahead and open up and see exactly what you get. Okay, so you can see you have the cords that you need, pretty simple, and then the actual device itself. So first of all, I have to say I love that this is orange. It matches my truck. But yeah, so this is it. It has like a nice rugged feel to it. Like I could drop this and I wouldn't be worried about it breaking. So I do really like the way that it feels in my hands. It also comes with, you know, some plastic to protect the screen. That way it doesn't get damaged during shipment. One thing it does have that I haven't pulled out yet is the owner's manual. So most guys don't really like reading owner's manuals. They like to figure it out themselves. But if you do run into issues, which you really shouldn't, because this is pretty straightforward, it does have a step-by-step instruction guide on how to use the product to help find out what is wrong with your vehicle. So let's go ahead and hook it up here and see some of the features that this device has. One thing I did want to mention about this product, so if you don't know what this type of scanner is, it's pretty much whenever you run into an issue with a check engine light on your vehicle, you plug this scanner in, it'll tell you what the code is, which then you can Google to figure out exactly what's wrong with the truck. So it saves you money from having to go to a dealership. That's the really nice thing about this. So if you've never used one of these before, it's actually super simple to hook up. You take the cord and you plug it in underneath there, and then the other end, you just kind of screw into the top of here. You push in there, and that's pretty much it. Then you just press the power button. As you can see, that's right here. And then it takes you to the welcome screen. This really is set up just like an Android. As you can see here in the upper right corner, it has the time, the date. You can connect it to Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and run through the setup for this. The cool thing about this is it is touchscreen, so we'll go ahead and press start. Another thing that's cool is you have multiple languages to choose from. You know, Italian, I don't even know half of these languages, but because I speak English, we'll go ahead and do English. We'll hit the next button down here. And then the time zone, we'll go ahead and pick the time zone. So for us, because I am based in good old North Carolina, we'll go ahead and do the New York time zone. The next screen it will take you to will be the Wi-Fi networks. So go ahead and select the Wi-Fi network for your house. Once you put in your Wi-Fi information, the next screen it'll take you to is this workshop information. I don't have a workshop, so I'll go ahead and hit skip on this. And then it just has the user agreement policy. So you want to make sure you read through all those, agree to the terms, and hit OK. And then you are at the main page here. Once you get everything loaded up here, whenever you try to access some of this stuff, it will ask you to log in. It's super easy. You don't even need like a password. You just put in your email address, it'll send you a code, and you're able to log in, and then you get full access to everything. Doesn't cost anything. So that's just something to note. So we'll go ahead and start playing around and see exactly what we have here. We have American, European, Asian, the different history. So let's go ahead and do a demo because we are hooked up to a Toyota. Let's go ahead and jump into here. and see what we have. So we'll go ahead and do the automatic search. Now it is searching. We'll wait for this to load up here. So it's now fully loaded here. It does have the VIN number information. I just kind of went past that. So we have the vehicle name, the model, the engine type, what year the Tacoma is, and the travel mileage. Okay. So scanning the vehicle for more information here. Oh yeah, so this is nice. So we have a health report, system scan. Let's go ahead and see health report. So a lot of this is super easy. You just easily press buttons and it goes ahead and pulls up everything you need here. So you can see, no fault codes. It's absolutely checking every single thing with this truck. Even the air conditioning, four-wheel drive, the tire pressure monitoring systems, the general motor, as you can see, and it's updating you in real time. So you don't have to sit here and wait, put it down and walk back. You literally can see it scanning everything in real time, letting you know what the codes are, and if there's any issues, blind spot warning, stuff like that. This one's a hybrid, so it has hybrid information. The ABS, brake booster, trailer brake control, the steering angle sensor, air conditioning, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system. It lets you know everything. And if there are codes, it will let you know. So this truck, because it is a Toyota and it is new, it does not have issues with it. So I'm not really expecting a ton of stuff here. But yeah, you can also clear codes. You can have it do a little report for you. We'll go ahead and do back. A system scan. It will go ahead and start scanning everything here. So it just finished scanning here. It's letting you know what it's equipped with, every single thing that this truck has. It lets you know, everything with front recognition cameras to radar sensors to power distribution boxes, power source controls. So we can do system selection. We have custom special function. Okay. It's scanning for anything like that. Like it's scanning literally everything you can here. So this is really nice. I love all the features. This thing is packed full and by far has more features than any of the other OBD2 scanners that I have done a review on in the past. So I am pretty impressed with this so far. And yeah, so looking in here, we have the oil maintenance reset, brake reset, battery matching, ABS bleed, electric throttle relearn, injector coding. I mean, you can pretty much do everything you want to do with this. So if you are someone that wants to customize things down to, how things are calibrated, window calibration, seat occupancy, AC system relearning, high voltage battery, coolant replacement, literally pretty much everything you want to do, you can do with this device, which is really great. You can do just basic like, hey, what's wrong with the code and get that information, or you can really dig through all of here and see what there is to offer. So that was just on the diagnose here, so we can go in here and see what we have. Just kind of going in additional features, we can do years of measurements, we have metric, we have the different brightness, the sound, the network, time zone, recovery, clear cache. You can also do screen captures, which is really cool. So I mean, there's just a ton of information that's available using this tool. And any software updates, you just click it, go in here, and it's like, hey, yep, there's some 7 new upgrades available, so you can update it here if you need to. Going in the mail section here, we can see that there's different things you can check out with. That's something that, I don't think I would really use that much. Launch Academy, it literally has repair cases, databases, training videos. So it's just really nice. Go ahead and exit that. Toolbox. We have different reports and stuff. Toolbox, firmware fixes, DTC libraries, feedback, common questions you may have, as well as the owner's manual is also in here. So overall, you have a ton of different things available with this tool. I really like this. So there you have it. That's all the features that this tool has. It's really nice, super intuitive, really easy to learn. It doesn't take a ton of skill to kind of navigate this and figure it out. I do really like that it's based off the Android system. I do have an Android phone, so that is a big plus for me. I'm very familiar with the layout of different things. Overall, as far as price goes, based on its competitors, I would say this is kind of in the lower price range for the competitors, so the value is super high on this. You get a lot more bang for your buck compared to some of the other companies that charge more money that may not have as many features as this has. So overall, this was super easy to play with, to figure out, to learn. I will put a link in the description, so if you are interested in checking it out, maybe checking out some of their reviews, just learning more about this product, if it's something that's going to be valuable to you. For me, I always like having at least one of these around, because whenever that check engine light comes on, I don't want to have to drive to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts or take it to a dealership just to figure out what's going on with it. So that's when this can come in super handy. And I love the color of it because it matches my truck. And it's really rugged. I feel like if I drop it, it's not going to break. So that's important, especially dealing with automotive stuff. Like, things are going to fall, things are going to, like it's, kind of teetering here right on the edge of the bed, and it could easily fall off. And, if something's not built to withstand a couple breaks, it's not very good quality. But this feels solid. I really like the way that it navigates and all that kind of stuff. So there's a link in the description if you are interested. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.